I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking, and this is another one for the weeknight wonders. This takes very little time to prep, put it in the oven, let it go, and 20 minutes later you have dinner on the table, and it's homemade. I'm going to be doing some breaded baked pork chops. Instead of using shake and bake, you can make your own seasoning mix very simply by yourself. I just use breadcrumbs and whatever seasonings or herbs that I want, and I'll show you how I do that and slap them in the oven. Fraction of the cost, you know exactly what goes into it, and you can tailor it to whatever you're hungry for, if it's garlic and Parmesan or mesquite or you know, barbecue, whatever you want to do. So it's a great versatile way to make them, and it's quick and easy, and they usually come out really nice and juicy. So let's do some pork chops. Some center cut pork chops, my non-stick cooking spray, some Parmesan cheese, some Lil Doggie seasoning salt, a little red pepper because I like a little bit more kick, and my breadcrumbs, Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. So all I do is I take a ziplock baggie and I pour in some breadcrumbs. A little bit more because I think I have around 8 chops. Here we go. That should be plenty. And I'm going to add my Lil Doggie seasoning mix. And you can make it as, you know, strong or light as you want. And a little red pepper. I'm going to seal it up. A couple of screws. Then I'm going to shake this all up and get it incorporated so all the seasoning gets in. I'm going to go and spray my baking sheet with non-stick spray. I'm just foil coat the sheet so you know you have all your mess here. You just roll it up and toss it away. And I'm going to take the pork chops and give them a shake. And throw them on this sheet to bake. Like I said, this is a simple and economical way to do pork chops. I know everybody complains about, you know, cooking from scratch, taking time, but the truth of the matter is, it doesn't take much effort. It takes a little bit of organization and planning, but it doesn't take tons of effort to be able to put homemade food on a table. It isn't processed, packaged, or some other stuff, and it really cuts your food bill. So if you're fiscally minded and trying to cut costs, you know, I'll wait till they go on sale, and I'll buy a bunch up, and I'll pack them and freeze them, and then pull them out and do them up any which way you want. Like I said, you can do these however you like. I'm going to add a little Parmesan cheese across the top when I'm done. There we go. I'm just going to give a shake like this. And that's it. That's what they look like now, and I'll throw them in the oven and we'll see what they come out like. They are out of the oven. See, all the mess stays on the tin foil, and we'll take them off, serve them up. And you know what comes next. Here they are on the plate, and you can just see they're glistening. You can see that they're not dry. They're nice and juicy. That's what we want. Okay guys, you know what time it is. Taste test time. So here we go. I paired it with some ranch potatoes and lima beans and applesauce, cinnamon applesauce, because that goes great with pork. And find out. Oh man, that's so good. So tender and juicy. And that Lil Doggie seasoning is great to use with breadcrumbs for this. It gives it just the right amount of oomph, especially if you add a little bit of red pepper. I like adding the red, the hot pepper or cayenne to it. It gives it just a little bit more. Oh, it's good. So simple. I mean, it doesn't get much easier than that. So, that is my baked breaded pork chops. Totally easy, couple ingredients, perfect for a weeknight wonder meal. Perfect for the family. You saw I can do up a whole plate, throw them in the oven, let them go. Like I paired it with the ranch potatoes. Throw them in the oven, let them go. It works great. So, there's another idea for you on a busy weekday night. Of course, it's good anytime. Or if you need to feed a whole bunch of people. So, if you liked what you saw, like, subscribe, and join me next time here in Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking.